Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Microsoft Teams error. There was a problem reaching this app in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this could be due to several reasons which include problems in network connectivity that will prevent Teams from communicating with Microsoft Server, problems with cache, files, and corrupted data from the applications and old operating system of Teams. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa most frequent ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. So dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run and wait natin. So, madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So, ang gagawin natin dito is to follow lang yung step-by-step procedures and method na nandito lahat yung complete informations kung paano natin yun i-fix yung problem. And then, after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update Microsoft Teams. Alright? So, open lang natin ang ating Microsoft Teams account. And dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So, click mo lang yan. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung help. And then, next step ay click mo lang dito yung what's new. So, click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo na dito yung bagong update. Alright? So, ang gagawin natin dito is to kailangan lang i-update yung bagong versions ng Microsoft Teams kapag may nakita ka dito mga kaibigan na update. Alright? And hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so same dito lang ulit sa search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And next step ay ipi-paste natin dito. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image, servicings, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Teams error. There was a problem reaching this app in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.